As the smoke comes on, Red 1 has called the team into Phoenix formation for an emotional part of this year's routine. When they present Phoenix crowd front, Reds 4 and 5 on the outside will smoke red to remember our lost friends and colleagues, Flight Lieutenant John Egging and Flight Lieutenant Sean Cunningham, who were both tragically killed in separate accidents last year. In Phoenix formation, ladies and gentlemen, this is our memorial bend for Eggman and Sean.
Jessica.
Continue with the theme of remembrance. This year, in fact, the end of last month saw the long-awaited unveiling of the memorial to the Royal Air Force and